Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Echinacea vs elderberry. Which is better for cold prevention? Echinacea shows more consistent evidence for preventing colds compared to elderberry. While elderberry may modestly reduce the severity or duration of colds in some people, there is no evidence to support its use in preventing colds. Existing research on the antiviral benefits of echinacea and elderberry is limited, so these herbs should be used to complement, rather than replace, standard cold prevention and treatment strategies. More research is needed before relying on echinacea to prevent colds, as different preparations, dosages, and study populations complicate the generalization of results. Echinacea is generally considered safe for short-term use, but can cause allergic reactions, gastrointestinal issues, and rashes. Only use extracts of cooked elderberries, as uncooked elderberries, leaves, and other elder tree parts contain toxic substances. To prevent colds, prioritize proven methods like staying up to date on immunizations, practicing good hygiene, and improving air quality. Consult a healthcare provider before using echinacea or elderberry, especially if pregnant, breastfeeding, or have chronic health conditions. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. =speak